Hello and welcome in this video. In this video, I want to show you my brand new online course on how to take measurements with a multimeter. If you are overwhelmed by the many functions of a multimeter and don't know how to use it, you have come to the right place. My name is Markus and I'm very excited to teach you how to use your multimeter properly and how to perform different measurement tasks with your multimeter. In this course, I show you the many functions of a multimeter and I will guide you through step by step, so you will be able to do your own measurements with your own multimeter after you have taken the course. First of all, we start by looking at the basics of a multimeter and of measurement in general. We discuss the main parts of a multimeter, how to select the right measurement, and what the correct procedure is when doing a measurement. After that, we explore the different measurements you can take with your multimeter. We start by measuring DC voltage and current. Then I'm going to show you how to measure the key values of components, for example, of resistors and capacitors. So we are going to measure the resistance and the capacitance. You also learn how to perform continuity tests and how to test diodes and LEDs. Finally, I'm going to show you how to measure temperature with your multimeter by using a temperature sensor. I will introduce you to some useful accessories that can support your measurements, and I will explain some technical terms so you can get a good understanding of your multimeter. The course is structured that we are first discussing the theory of the measurement, and then we are going to perform each measurement step by step, so you learn what is important for each measurement and how your multimeter works. There are no requirements for the course. You can watch the course on your phone, your tablet or your PC, whatever you like most. It is not important that you have your own multimeter yet, but it's obviously helpful if you want to practice in parallel. If you want to do the same measurements I'm going to show you in the course, it's helpful to have some electronic components, for example, some small capacitors, some small resistors and some batteries, so you can take the measurements in parallel. Also, you can download the presentation slides I'm using in the course. So who is this course for? The course is designed for everyone who wants to learn how to take measurements with a multimeter from the start up. So if you want to carry out your own measurements, for example, on your own electronic circuits, this course is right for you. In this course, we are only working with very small voltages and small currents that are completely safe for humans. So I'm not going to show you how to measure in power sockets or in building installations. This is simply for your safety, so you can practice with setups that are completely harmless. If you are still unsure if this course is right for you, you can watch some preview videos, and that way you can get a first impression of the course and decide whether to join the course. So that's it for this introduction. If you want to check out the course, just click on the link in the description below, and I would be very happy to welcome you to the course very soon.